Hi friends, in this video I want to introduce Vue.js. What is Vue.js? Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework used for building user interfaces and single-page application or SPA. It is designed to be easy to learn, flexible, and very efficient, making it popular among beginners and professional developers. Vue.js was developed by Evan You in 2013. Okay, later I will to explain about framework, what is framework, user interfaces, and single page application, or we can call it SPA. Uh, that we know there is two paradigms, client side and server side. If we develop a website or mobile programming. And in this slide, I want to explain about client side and versus server side, and Vue.js will run in client side or in server side. Okay, Vue.js is deployed using JavaScript. It means if we build our website using Vue.js, we are the front end developer because our website will run in client side, not server side. If we use such as PHP, Python, GS, C Sharp, they will run in server side, and we can call it a backend development. And if we use Vue.js, because Vue.js is developed using JavaScript, it will run in client side. It will run in web browser, users web browsers. That's why we can call it client side programming. Okay, maybe uh, we we often listens about framework. A framework is a pre-built structure or set of tools that helps developers build software more easily and more quickly. It provides tools, patterns, and ready-made components, so you don't have to start everything from zero. And Vue.js is a JS framework because in Vue.js we can find many libraries that we can use for develop a website not from zero. We can use many things, libraries in Vue.js. Okay, and if we talk about UI or user interface, UI is how a digital product looks, the such as the buttons, text, icons, colors, layouts, and all of visual elements that let users interact with the system. If we build website using Vue.js framework, we can call a website with two paradigm, single page application or multi-page application. But in this video and next, I want to focus Vue.js CLI. It means we can make a website using single page application. Single page application or SPI is a type of web application that loads only one HTML page and then updates the content dynamically as the user interacts with it without reloading the whole page. Maybe we can see about the cycle of SPLF cycle. The first client will do initial request to server, and server will send HTML, CSS, and GS. And if we use other requests to server, the server just sends JSON, not HTML again anymore. It called SPA or single page application. That's why our application without reloading and just reload in certain components. That's why we call it SPA. Uh, few alternatives. Maybe you can use like GS, Angular, Svelte, Solid.js, Alpine.js, Ember.js, or jQuery, and other frameworks, other JS frameworks. We can use as a few alternatives. And in this video and next, I will use Visual Studio Code. And in Visual Studio Code, you must install plugin Prettier for coder formatter, and you can install video in plugin site, plugin or extension site. You can you can search video like this, and you can press the button install, and you can install the video plugin. After that, okay, I want to introduce about I explained before about SPA or MPA. If we use Vue CLI, it means we will build SPA application, single page application. And if we use a type of Vue embedded, it means we embed a Vue in HTML. It means we will build MPA multi page application. In this video, in these tutorials, next I want to focus in SPA. We will use a PUCL type of VGS. Before we code using PUCLI, you must download Node.js and install. You can visit nodejs.org website, and you can download if you use Microsoft, if you use Mac, you can choose depend on your OS operating system. Okay, and you must install you must after that after you install Node.js, and we can install Fuse.ai using npm install -g. Okay, I want to explain in command prompt. In my laptop, has already installed Vue.js. That's why uh, I don't install anymore. But I want to check my Vue version. Oh, I'm so sorry. We must use double dash. You can see dash dash version for see the version of our Vue.js. Okay, I use Vue.js CLI with version 5.0.9. And if you haven't installed Vue CLI, you must run this syntax. Okay, you can use this syntax to check your Vue.js version. And for create our project, you can use this syntax after you install your Vue CLI. Okay, project. Okay, I will close this comment form and I want to open another comment form with a CMD syntax. You can find view, create, and the name of our project, maybe my project or first project, like this. Okay, maybe I want to write a first project like this, enter, and you can manual select features and we can press enter. We choose Vue.js 3. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, we can type no. Okay, the installation of Vue project, Vue.js project is finished. We can enter this directory using cd first project, enter, and we can run our project with npm run sub. Okay, after that you can see the local URL, localhost with 8080 port. You can click, or you can copy paste, copy and paste in your browser, or just click in this hyperlink like this, and you can see our first project, our first Vue project will run in our browser. Okay, I think it is that's all to introduce Vue.js. We can see again in the next video. Thank you for watching.